In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate images in Squarespace step by step so you can add a more dynamic, professional look to your website without needing any code. Animating an image is a simple way to make your page feel more engaging, draw attention to important visuals, and create a smoother browsing experience for your visitors. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Squarespace walkthroughs. Let's jump in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the page where your image is located. Once you're in the editor, click Edit on your target page so you can make changes directly to the layout. After the page loads in editing mode, find the image block you want to animate. This could be a photo, banner image, product image, or any visual element you want to stand out. Now click directly on the image block itself. When you select it, a floating mini toolbar will appear near the image. This toolbar gives you quick access to the most important settings for that block. On that toolbar, click the edit icon, which looks like a pencil tool. This opens the image settings panel, where you can change how the image behaves on the page. Inside the editing options, look for the animation setting. Depending on your Squarespace version and template, this may appear in a drop-down menu or within the design controls for that block. Click the Animations dropdown and then choose the preferred style from the available animation options. You may see different effects such as fade, slide, zoom, or other motion styles depending on your site setup. Take a moment to preview each option if you're not sure which one looks best. A subtle animation often works great for professional websites, while a more noticeable effect can be useful if you want to highlight a key image or section. The goal is to make the page feel more polished without distracting from your content. Once you've selected the animation style you want, save your changes and preview the page. Scroll through the section to make sure the effect appears the way you expected. If it feels too strong or not noticeable enough, go back and choose a different style until it fits the design of your site. And that's it. You've now animated an image in Squarespace in just a few simple steps. This is a quick design upgrade that can instantly make your website feel more modern and interactive. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Squarespace tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.